Chapter 5 Dynamic Web Page in HTML5. In this chapter, we will learn JavaScript, creating web page with JavaScript, input and output in JavaScript. We have learned what is HTML and how to create web pages using HTML in the previous classes. HTML uses many tags to tell the browser how to display the content on web browsers. Now we are going to learn another scripting language along with HTML to make the web pages interactive and dynamic in nature, which is JavaScript. JavaScript is a text-based programming language used both on client side and server side that allows to make web pages interactive and dynamic. It is often abbreviated as JS. With the help of JavaScript, we can add different types of functionalities in our web pages like taking input from the user, validating the user input, etc. JavaScript is one of the core languages of the World Wide Web. Using of JavaScript. Being a scripting language, JavaScript cannot run on its own. The browser is responsible for running JavaScript code. In HTML5, we can use JavaScript in two ways, internally and externally. Internal JavaScript code is code that displays anywhere within the web page between the HTML tags. You can see the code here. Here we are using the tag script tag and which is placed in the head section or in the body section of your HTML5 document. External JavaScript. The SRC attribute is used to include the external JavaScript file. Creating web page with internal JavaScript. Similar to HTML5 web page, we can use any text editor like Notepad, Visual Studio Code, etc. to create JavaScript programs. After typing the JavaScript code, any web browser like Google Chrome, Opera, Firefox, Microsoft Edge are used to view the web page. Creating web page with external JavaScript. To use external JavaScript in our code, first open the Notepad and type hello in bracket, double inverted comma. We can give hello world. Then save the file with .js extension. Open another notepad and type the code which is given. And now save the file with .html extension and open the web page in any web browser. Statements in JavaScript. The programming instructions written in a program in a JavaScript are known as statements, and a collection of statements is called a script or a program. JavaScript statements are composed of values, operators, expressions, keywords, and comments. Keyword is a reserved word that has a special meaning for the JavaScript interpreter. Some of the keywords are var, switch, let, for, const, function, if, return, etc. Variables. A variable is a name of storage location. It stores a value that can be modified later. Operators. Operators are used to perform specific mathematical and logical computations on operands. Expressions. An expression is a valid unit of code that results to a value. Comments. JavaScript comments can be used to explain JavaScript code and to make it more readable. That's all about this chapter. Thank you.